screen is visible, beta? Ishita?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So today we are going to start about the effective communication 7 Cs. So now we are just focusing about the for transmitting effective written or oral message. Certain principles must be followed. These principles are advocated by the Francis J. Vergin, provide guidelines for choice of content and style of presentation adapted to the purpose of the receiver of the message. So now we are just discussing about the effective communication. So now we are just looking for 7 Cs in communication. So now we will start with completeness. So our communication should be completeness should be there. If we are not completing our sentences, if we are not completing our views and ideas not in complete way, so our communication will not be effective. Then after conciseness is also very important, because we need to focus about conciseness. Okay, so we are not saying or deliver something about the lengthy matter or description matter. So now we need to focus about the conciseness. Whatever we want to discuss and whatever we want to say, our style and our written format and our communication should be conciseness. Okay, and third point is clarity. Clarity is very very important. Okay, suppose you are just, if you want to ask or sharing something, if your idea is not clear and clarity is not there, okay, you are not clear know what you want to say or not. So clarity is very very important. Clarity, clarity means something like we can say clear. Okay, then after the correctness should be there. Okay, so correctness means ki if we have decided and if our presentation is clear and if we have prepared our present matter, so there should be correctness. Okay, then after the consideration, then as the courtesy is also very important. We are just using courtesy in our writing. Then after the concreteness. Okay, so these are 7 Cs we need to focus about the 7 Cs, right? Now we are just moving about we are just taking one by one. So completeness, so every communication, because we are taking effective of communication, so every communication must be complete and adequate. Incomplete message keep the receiver guessing, create misunderstanding and delay action. So this thing also applicable in our in our life also. So every communication and every communication and matter, yeah, whatever we are just sharing any ideas to someone, it should be very very complete. It should be complete and adequate. So incomplete message, suppose incomplete message, so keep the receiver always having guessing, create misunderstanding, not clear and delay actions also. So every person should therefore be provided with all the required facts and figures. Okay, it should be very very clear and very very complete. It should be complete. So for example, when factory supervisor instructs workers to produce, he must specify the exact size, shape, quality and cost of the product. This is very important example we are just sharing with you. So for example, ki suppose when factory supervisor instruct workers to produce, he or she must be specify the exact size. He must specify the size, exact shape, quality and cost of the product. This is called the completeness. Any assumptions behind the message should also be clarified. Okay, so completeness is very very important. While answering a letter, all the questions raised in the letter must be replied. Then after the conciseness, so in business communication you should be brief and be able to say whatever you have to say in fewest possible words without sacrificing the others equality. Conciseness is desired because of the following benefits. First of all, a concise message saves time and expense for both sender and receiver. So conciseness is very very important. Suppose when we talk about the precis writing also, so precis writing is also part of the conciseness. We are just compressing our ideas. Okay. So one third part we are just taking in precis. So concise message always save time and expense for both sender and receiver. Conciseness contributes to emphasize by eliminating unnecessary words. You let important, just take some important ideas and stand out. So when combined with a, you view concise messages are inherently more interesting to recipients as they avoid unnecessary information. So we need to focus about the conciseness, our matter, our, communication, our ideas, our, communication process should be it, it should be conciseness. So it should be concise. So now we are just moving toward the clarity. Clarity means getting your message across so the receiver will understand what you are trying to convey. So clarity, okay, everything is clear. So we are just saying कि you are getting properly or not. So clarity means getting, okay, getting it or not. You are you getting it properly or not? So clarity means getting your message across so the receiver will understand. Okay, receiver will understand what you are trying to convey, first of all. Okay, so second point is you want that person to interrupt your words with the same meaning you have in mind. So accomplishing the goals is difficult because, as you know, individual experience are never identical and words have different meaning to different persons. Okay, so every individual having different qualities. So different people, different person having different ideas, thought, and their personal experience, their personal views, different meanings and different ideas we all are having. Okay, but the main focus, the main point is this: कि we need to clear, and clarity should be there. So here are some specific ways to help make your message clear. First of all, choose short. Okay, if you are taking something short, sweet, so simply you will explain clearly, smartly, frankly, So first of all, choose short, familiar, conversational words. Okay, easy to understand. ऐसा नहीं है we are taking very difficult idea, we are taking difficult sentences, difficult words, but we are not able to express ourselves well. This is the also main important point is this: you choose always short, simple, familiar, conversational words. Second is construct effective sentences. Okay, so you know what does it mean? So always construct effective sentences and paragraph. Okay, so your paragraph, your sentences should be should be clear, and it should be construct effectively. Okay, then after achieve appropriate readability and listenability, include examples, illustrations, and other visual aids when desirable or not. Okay, this is our second point is clarity. Then after the correctness. Okay, so the term correctness as applied to business message means right level of language and accuracy of facts, figures, and our words. So if the information is not correctly conveyed, the sender will lose the credibility. First of all, it should be correctness should be there. Transmission of incorrect information to supervisor and not supervisor, transmission of incorrect information to superiors will dictate decision making process. The transmission of incorrect information to outsiders will spoil the public image of the film. That firm. So to convey correct message, always always convey correct message. Grammatical error should also be avoided. So this is also very important thing. We need to focus about the grammatical errors and sentences, and the it should be correct. So you should not transmit any message unless you are absolutely sure of its correctness. So this is the very important point. He You should not transmit any message. You should not send any kind of information any kind of message, any kind of any kind of data, unless you are absolutely, जब तक आप उस पर sure ना हो, okay? So that is the more important, absolutely sure of its correctness. So first of all, just revise it and just checking it, okay? And just revision should be there, okay? You can just take pause and just take first of all just clear, okay? So if you are not clear, or if you are not clear, so first of all, before sending anything, before sending any matter, any message, your correctness should be there. First of all, just check it, then send to others. Then after the consideration, so consideration means that you prepare every message with the recipient in mind and try to put yourself in his or her place. So try to visualize your readers or listeners with their desires, problems, circumstances, emotions, and problem reactions to your request. Then handle the matter from their point of view. This thoughtful consideration is also called the attitude, empathy, the human touch, and understanding of human nature. It does not mean, however, that you should overlook the needs of your organizations. Then, after the consideration, underline the other six CS. CS means communication. We are just talking about the CS of communication. So, CS of good business communication, to adapt your language and message, your content to your receiver's needs. When you make your message complete, concise, concrete, clear, courteous, and correct. So, however, in four specific ways, you can indicate you are considerate, right? So first of all, just focus on you instead of I and we. Show reader benefit or interest in reader. Emphasize positive, pleasant facts. Apply integrity and the ethics in communication, right? So courtesy is also very, very important in effect in communication. So courteous masses help to strengthen present business friendship as well as make new friends. Courtesy stems from sincere sincere your attitude. It is not merely politeness with mechanical listeners and the or please and the thank you. So to be courteous, considerate communication communicators should follow these suggestions regarding tone of the communication. So be sincerely tactful, thoughtful, and the appreciative. Omit expression that irritate, hurt, or irritate, and grant and apologize and the good naturally. So concreteness, communicating concretely means being specific, being specific, definite, and vivid rather than vague and general. The following guidelines should help you compose concrete, convincing messages. Use specific facts and figures. Put actions in your work and choose vivid image building words. Okay, battery has gone. Just a minute. Yes, Ishita. Ishita.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now I am just asking some questions to you. I hope everything is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
कुछ इसमें कोई डाउट इस पीपीटी में?
No, ma'am.
कोई डाउट? अच्छा, कुछ क्वेश्चंस अगर मैं पूछूं आपसे?
Yes, ma'am.
यस, क्वेश्चन बताओ मुझे, इफेक्टिव ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन, राइट? यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द इफेक्टिव ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. टेल मी.
Ma'am,
यस,
ma'am, repeat the question.
इफेक्टिव ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन.
What is effective communication?
Effective communication also we can say 7 Cs. Yes, 7 Cs.
Sense.
Tell me 7 Cs.
7 CS.
हाँ, 7 Cs.
Ma'am,
हाँ, बताओ.
effect, listening, speaking,
7 Cs बेटा. हेलो.
listening, speaking, listening, speaking.
ये लिसनिंग, स्पीकिंग, रीडिंग, राइटिंग ये तो किसके तो लैंग्वेज स्किल्स है एक्चुअली. I'm just talking to effective communications, we are about the 7 Cs. ना कि are
मैम आपकी आवाज
completeness, conciseness, clarity, correctness, consideration, courtesy, and the concreteness. These are 7 Cs.
यस मैम.
ठीक है. तो इन
यस
7 Cs
मैम.
अच्छे से एक बार रीड करके, ओके, इसको अच्छे से पढ़ के मुझे अच्छी क्विज बना के भेजना बेटा. ठीक है. मैं भी
ओके मैम.
की क्विज बना के आपको सेंड कर रही हूँ. आई एम फॉरवर्डिंग टू यू. देन आप जस्ट आंसर एक बार अच्छे से क्वेश्चन पढ़ के उसके आंसर लेकर
ओके मैम. मैम पीपीटी भेजनी है ना आपको?
पीपीटी. हाँ, मैं पीपीटी शेयर कर दूंगी आपको.
7 series.
ये स्क्रीन विजिबल है बच्चों आप लोगों को?
नो मैम.
No, ma'am.
नाउ
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
नाउ ओके.
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए ठीक है. So first of all, we are just going to start our class with interview questions, job oriented. So these things are very very important. Just a minute, student join कर रहे हैं. Okay, interview questions, job oriented. Okay, so first point is nature of job. So before giving, yeah, before attending any interview, so you first of all you have to focus about the nature of job. Okay, so nature of job is very very important. Okay, so nature of job is very important. Second point, we are having types of duties. Okay, so you must understand about the types of duties. Third point, we have likes and dislikes. Okay, so likes and dislikes, working conditions and earning, reasons for changing job, factors of job satisfaction and achievement. So student, these points are very very important actually. So you have to just understood about the these points. Okay, कि why we are why we are having this job. Okay, तो जो जॉब है आपकी, उसका जो पर्पस है वो कैसा है. ओके, तो आपके पर्पस से कि वो सूटेबल है या नहीं. ओके, तो नेचर ऑफ जॉब इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आपको उसको अंडरस्टैंड करना पड़ेगा कि जॉब का नेचर क्या है फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. ओके, देन आफ्टर उसके टाइप्स ऑफ ड्यूटीज कौन कौन सी हैं. ओके, likes and dislikes, working conditions and earnings, reasons for changing job, factors of job satisfaction and their achievements. Then after some interview questions we are just asking. The interview questions, education and training. Okay, so first of all, academic performance. So any interviewer can ask you about your academic performance. So this point should be clear in your mind clearly. Okay, your academic performance, right? So best पूरे subject whatever it is, so it is up to you कि how you are performing. Okay, कि how to perform well, कि कैसे हमको perform करना है. That is more important part. Okay, then after grade, division, percentage, you must understand this thing. Then after the involvement in extra co-curricular activities, special achievement if any. So students, these are the very very important and important factors you can say. It should be clear in your mind कि you are कि involvement in extra co-curricular activities you are having or not. Okay, and your special achievement. This is what ki this is the individual personality, individual achievements. Okay, so you must understand this thing ki are what type of achievements you have. Okay, you have to just show them, right? So next point is friend circle, close friend, and their activities. So interviewer and any person can raise and can ask you about the circle. Okay, कि आपका जो फ्रेंड सर्कल है वो कैसा है ना? आप कितने उनसे मतलब कैसा फ्रेंड सर्कल है, एंड योर क्लोज फ्रेंड्स कौन से, एंड देयर एक्टिविटीज कौन कौन सी, व्हाट दे आर डूइंग नाउ डेज. सो दे कैन आस्क सच काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. देन आफ्टर रिलेशनशिप, आपकी जो रिलेशनशिप है अपने टीचर्स के साथ, वो कैसा है, जो आपका उनके साथ जो आपका बिहेवियर है वो कैसा है. दैट इज ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट कि रिलेशनशिप विद टीचर्स. देन आफ्टर दी हाउ वाज द एजुकेशन फाइनेंस, किस तरह का आपका एजुकेशन फाइनेंस्ड है. ओके, so these some interview questions related to education and your training. Then after interview questions, family detail बच्चों. तो क्या होता है ना, बच्चे भूल जाते हैं जब इंटरव्यू पैनल में बैठते हैं, तो दे जस्ट फॉरगेट मैनी थिंग्स एट अ टाइम कि किस तरह के क्वेश्चंस रेज होते हैं बच्चों, है ना. तो इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस फैमिली डिटेल्स के रिलेटेड है आपके. ओके, so father and mother occupation, and about your father, about your mother, about their occupation. So you must understand these things. Then after number of brothers, and you can say siblings. Okay, so number of brothers and sisters, time span together. This is also question, the time spent together. Activities at home also can ask. Whom do you approach for help? This is also a question. Activities you get involved with the family. How you meet your how you connected with them and their requirement. Then after neighborhood, friends, and other social cultural activities. तो स्टूडेंट ऐसे क्वेश्चंस रेज होते हैं बच्चों. कहाँ रेज होते हैं? आपके पैनल में आपके रेज होते हैं. ओके, आपके जो इंटरव्यू है, आपका जो आईओ है जो बैठा है, आपका जो इंटरव्यू बैठा हुआ है, या कोई भी अगर मान लो आपका यूनिवर्सिटी में बच्चों आपका प्लेसमेंट होता है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो ये दीज क्वेश्चंस आर वेरी वेरी बेसिक क्वेश्चंस आर देयर. So you must understand these things. Okay, so interview questions related to family details. Then after we are just moving on, interest and hobbies. अब क्या होता है ना, इंटरेस्ट और हॉबी सबकी है, सबकी इंडिविजुअल हैविंग own interest, own hobbies, but at a time we are not able to tell them freely, frankly, because we are having hesitation. So this is also very key point, your interest and your hobbies. Okay, so how do you spend your spare time? Can ask, how do you spend? So after this class, complete this slide, I will ask you some questions. How do you spend your spare time? Okay, measure interest and your hobbies and level of proficiency. Pre- Preference for team games or individual games, and level of proficiency. Routine on normal days and holidays. Okay, reading habits, newspapers, books, and your magazines, entertainment, movies, and your television. So these are some questions. This is questions based on the individual personality and individual. Okay, so each and every student will tell me about the reading habits, if they're having, or not. Okay, and your routine, normal days and holidays time, right? How do you spare your time? How do you spare your spare time? And your interest, your hobbies, and your proficiency. So each and every student will tell me, okay, honestly. Then after interview questions, general awareness. This is very important key point. So your honors, awards, computers, slide topics, military, matters, historical facts, geographical details, music, sports and games, करंट अफेयर्स. तो ये सारे पॉइंट्स ऐसे पॉइंट्स हैं, सब सारे बच्चों को पता है कि स्पोर्ट्स से कौन कौन सी न्यूज, कौन कौन सी जो अपडेट हैं, कौन कौन से करंट करंट में क्या हो रहा है, व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन. ओके, गेम्स से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस आल्सो रेज, है ना. होते हैं कि आपका अगर इंटरेस्ट है तो बच्चों आपके इंटरेस्ट के अकॉर्डिंग क्वेश्चन रेज होंगे। ओके, ऐसा नहीं है कि मान लो हमने गेम्स बोल दिए, स्पोर्ट्स बोल दिए, या मैंने म्यूजिक बोल दिया। बच्चों म्यूजिक के बारे में योर नॉलेज शुड बी, यू शुड बी अपडेट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल। ओके, अगर मान लो आपने हिस्टोरिकल फैक्ट्स बता रखे हैं कि मेरा इंटरेस्ट हिस्ट्री में है, ज्योग्राफी में है, तो बच्चों उसके डिटेल्स जो भी की पॉइंट्स हैं या जो भी इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्ट्स हैं, ओके, तो उससे रेलिवेंट क्वेश्चंस कैन रेज। ओके, तो यू शुड बी रेडी फॉर ऑल फॉर ऑल एस्पेक्ट्स की। अगर आप बताते हो अवार्ड्स के बारे में या ऑनर्स के बारे में बच्चों, तो डिटेल शुड बी इन योर माइंड एक्चुअली। ओके, डिटेल, ऐसा नहीं है कि आई हैव सेड समथिंग ऑन स्पोर्ट्स, I have said something on television, but I don't know about this thing. Okay, so accordingly or related questions or related answers should be in your mind. Okay, then after self evaluation, this is self evaluation. So first of all, your strong points. Okay, your strength. Okay, tell us about your strength and tell us about your weakness. Can ask बच्चों, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि स्ट्रेंथ नहीं, स्ट्रेंथ के बारे में पता है, स्ट्रेंथ सिर्फ हमको एक वर्ड पता है, वी एक्चुअली नो दैट स्ट्रेंथ, बट वी डोंट नो एक्चुअली व्हाट डज मीन, इसका मतलब क्या है ना, कि स्ट्रेंथ है, स्ट्रेंथ तो पता है, स्ट्रेंथ ये होती है, बट वी डोंट नो अबाउट द एक्चुअल मीनिंग ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ और एक्चुअल मीनिंग ऑफ वीकनेस बच्चों। ओके, so if you are saying or sharing something on front of your IO, front of your interviewer, and during interview, during panel, so these points should be clear in your mind. Okay, areas you would like to improve. Suppose something having like you want to improve. Okay, so areas you would like to improve first of all. Okay, so just tell them honestly, do not bluff with them. Okay, चीटिंग नहीं करनी है, ऑनेस्टली आंसर देना, अगर आता है तो यस, नहीं आता नो, सिंपल। तो फियर ऑफ हाइट, तो बच्चों देखो, नाउ रिमेंबर्स टू अवॉइड सेइंग द फॉलोइंग, तो दीज आर सम पॉइंट्स वी नीड टू अवॉइड। ओके, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि हम मतलब एक भावनाओं में बह गए और हमने एकदम बिल्कुल अपनी वीकनेस को शेयर कर दिया बच्चों। सो जस्ट ट्राई टू अवॉइड सच काइंड्स ऑफ पॉइंट्स, फियर ऑफ हाइट, difficulty in mixing with others, being introvert or loner, find it difficult to make friends, being scared, get depressed or nervous, get critical thoughts. So these points we need to avoid, beta. I hope Nisha, Pamni, Sagar, I hope, am I clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, दीज पॉइंट यू शुड रिमूव बच्चों। ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब हमने एकदम बिल्कुल, अगर कोई पूछ रहा है तो हमने बता दिया कि यस, बीइंग स्कैर्ड, गेट डिप्रेस्ड, नर्वस। ओके, so just try to avoid these saying the following points, difficulty, है ना, कि I'm not in the habit of this, do this thing, I'm a scared person, depressed person, and difficulty to make friends, है ना। थोड़ा सा इन पॉइंट्स बच्चों, ये थोड़े जो पॉइंट्स हैं वो नेगेटिव अप्रोच शो करते हैं। क्लियर है सभी को?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
हमें
ma'am.
क्या होना है, हमें पॉजिटिव होना है, पॉजिटिव, है ना। ऑलवेज वी नीड टू पुट आर पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड, ऑलवेज। ओके, आइदर वी आर करेक्ट और इनकरेक्ट बच्चों। ओके, so we need to give 100% and we should have positive attitude. Okay, then we can then we can get something, है ना। हम सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट दीज पॉइंट्स है, आपको इनको रिमेम्बर करना है, ठीक है। Then after interview points to remember, देखो, do not get over friendly, first of all, ये points you need to remember, do not get over friendly, speak only to the point, and keep looking at the IO and not elsewhere। ऐसा नहीं बच्चों कि suppose 4-5 members, okay, president is also front of you, okay, IO is also front of you, and testing officer is front of you, and your mind is somewhere बच्चों। ऐसा होता है बच्चों, they are very experienced person, okay, experienced हैं, और qualified peoples are there। Okay, so always understand these points, keep looking at the IO, keep looking at your interviewer, and keep looking at your person जो आपको, they are just they people are just assessing you, they people are just assessing and testing you, Okay, so you no need to look here and there. Okay, so keep looking at the IO or always and not elsewhere, first of all, right? So next point is be attentive, be focused and respond smartly. ऐसा नहीं है कि our listening is very poor, okay, and we are not listening carefully. Just a minute. Yes. So, yes, be attentive. First of all, you should be focused, attentive, and respond smartly, बच्चों. ऐसा नहीं है कि एकदम जल्दबाजी में आप एकदम आंसर कुछ का कुछ दे रहे हो, सुन कुछ रहे हो और रेस्पॉन्ड कुछ और कर रहे हो, राइट? So you need to focus first of all, be attentive, okay, and your listening should be sharp. Your listening will be strong and respond smartly one by one. Okay, just take pause and just respond smartly. Then after, do not use slangs. Do not use any irrelevant word, irrelevant ideas. So the more you reveal, the more you are prompt. This is also a very important thing. You no need to speak more. Okay, कि sir, I am this, I am that, I have done this thing, I have done that thing. So no need to speak more. Okay, just always focus on the point. Okay, so the more you reveal, जितना बच्चों आप रिवील करोगे, बताओगे बच्चों, तो उतना आप फंसते जाओगे. ठीक है, तो ऐसा नहीं करना है हम लोगों को. हमें क्या करना है, एकदम स्मार्टली एकदम रेस्पॉन्ड करना है ना, फोकसफुली, अटेंटिवली. ओके, एंड रेस्पॉन्ड स्मार्टली. देन आफ्टर, द मोर यू रिवील, द मोर यू आर प्रॉब्ड. सो देन आफ्टर, डू नॉट टेल लाइज. कि ऐसा नहीं है कि हम मतलब वी आर सेइंग समथिंग लाइक दैट, वी आर जस्ट बोस्टिंग फ्रंट ऑफ देम. ओके, ऐसा नहीं है कि हम कुछ का कुछ बता रहे हैं, बहुत ज्यादा अपने आप को वो स्मार्ट समझ रहे हैं. ऐसा नहीं करना. डू नॉट टेल लाइज. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, झूठ नहीं बोलना है. Okay, whatever you are, okay, your face is your index. First of all, this point should be in your mind every time. Your face is your index. Okay, so never ever tell lies front of them. Do not contradict statement given in PIQ. ऐसा नहीं है कि you are just sending something wrong, okay, and giving information something wrong. Okay, so whatever actually you are having, whatever you have, just reflect it. Okay, do not criticize anyone. Never ever criticize anyone, including friends, including teachers, parents. Okay, so never ever criticize to anyone. ये this is also a positive approach. Okay, so हमें किसी के बारे में कोई criticize नहीं करना है. This is also called your positive approach. Okay, then after, sit comfortably. ऐसा नहीं है कि you are sitting like that, कि you are having stress, okay, fear, okay, nervousness, है ना. तो ऐसा फील करना है. Yes, you are cool, and just and sit like, and like you are a candidate and they are your interview, and just feel cool and calm and comfortably and feel comfortable first of all. Okay, to sit comfortably. This is also main point during interview, and point to remember, some points to remember. Then after, some suggestions. Now I am just giving you some suggestions for the candidate. देखो, ये कुछ सजेशन है बेटा, हमेशा हमें याद रखने हैं और हमेशा हमारे माइंड में होने चाहिए. दीज आर सम सजेशंस फॉर द कैंडिडेट. So before going for the interview, yes. So before going for the interview, make mental note of all the details given in PIQ. बच्चों, मैंने शायद आपको
Yes,
PIQ के बारे में
ma'am.
शायद बताया था. I think so. Personal.
Yes, ma'am.
क्या है PIQ? क्या है PIQ? Yes.
Ma'am, it is like a resume.
Ma'am, it is a form which is
PIQ.
which is related to interviews.
पर्सनल इंफॉर्मेशन जो क्वेश्चंस होती हैं आपकी,
Yes, ma'am.
दैट इज PIQ. ओके, में आप सब कुछ लिख रहे हो, स्टार्टिंग से एंड तक आप सब कुछ लिख रहे हो. ओके, योर नेम, योर फादर्स, फैमिली बैकग्राउंड, ब्ला ब्ला थिंग्स, योर academic, your co-curricular activity, everything you are just mentioned there. But always remember बेटा कि ये these are some सजेशंस बता रही हूँ मैं आप लोग को. बिफोर गोइंग फॉर द इंटरव्यू, मेक मेंटल नोट ऑफ ऑल द डिटेल्स गिवन इन PIQ. बच्चों ऐसा नहीं है कि हमें अपना पिन कोड ही नहीं पता है. ओके, पिन कोड का नंबर ही नहीं पता है, हमें एक प्रॉपर एड्रेस नहीं पता है. बच्चों ये सारे पॉइंट्स एक्चुअली बहुत बहुत माइन्यूटली और बेसिक पॉइंट्स है, बट वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड. ओके, तो सजेशंस फॉर द कैंड. अगर बच्चों आप देखो, आप सारे बिहार के बच्चे हो, ठीक है, तो बिहार का अभी आपका ये जो कौन सा चल रहा है, आपका जो कार्ड होता है ना, आपका एजुकेशन वाला कार्ड, क्या नेम है उसका? बिहार बोर्ड से है ना, तो बच्चों का जो कार्ड चल रहा है अभी,
मैम DRCC।
स्टूडेंट क्रेडिट कार्ड में,
क्रेडिट कार्ड मैम।
क्रेडिट कार्ड चल रहा है ना, सभी को
स्टूडेंट
पता है.
क्रेडिट कार्ड.
ये भी जो अप्लाई होता है कि हम कौन सी उसमें इंफॉर्मेशन, ऐसा तो नहीं है कि रॉन्ग फिल कर रहे हैं बच्चों, समझ में आया सभी को? तो ये भी ऐसा नहीं कि हियर ओनली वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द इंटरव्यू, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द मतलब कि ऑल इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग्स, सजेशंस. ओके, so these suggestions always should always should be in your mind. Okay, before going for the interview, make mental note of all the details given in PIQ. Have confidence in yourself. First of all, बच्चों confidence should be high, है ना. Have always having good confidence and do not elicit information on type questions asked by IU. Okay, so do not mention any wrong information on type. Okay, क्वेश्चंस आस्क्ड बाय IU. ऐसा नहीं है कि वी आर जस्ट राइट कि लिख कुछ रहे हैं और बता कुछ रहे हैं बच्चों. ये भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है, सो यू मस्ट फोकस ऑन दीज पॉइंट्स बेटा, है ना. So do not be nervous at the time of entering the interview room. This is very very important point. Okay, कि do not be nervous, है ना. हम नर्वस रहते हैं, परेशान से एकदम हेजिटेशन में, अब क्या होगा, है ना. थोड़ा सा स्मार्टली अच्छे से फेस करना है, और इसीलिए बच्चों अभी से हमें प्रैक्टिस करनी है. ओके, तो फ्रॉम today onwards we are just practicing. Okay, we need to practice on these points beta, then we can achieve and then we can perform well. Okay, after that, so do not be nervous at the time of entering the interview room. Dress appropriately, properly, as per the time of the day. Knock, first of all, knock. Okay, before entering, and just you can say make a mean sir. Okay, so knowing the room and enter when called in. ऐसा नहीं है कि directly we are going, we are not supposed to do like that. Okay, ऐसा किसी को भी नहीं करना है. So knock before entering the room and enter when called in, right? So enter with a smile, wish with a courteous bow, and you can say good afternoon, good morning according to time. Okay, so these all are बच्चों manners, है ना ये. So if the IO offers you hand, shake it warmly, है ना. ये भी थोड़ा स्मार्टली, ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने अपने आगे से आप लोग कर रहे हो. So first just take time, and if the IO offers you, then you can do that. Okay, do not take the seat unless you are asked by the IO. अब यही बच्चों आपका HOD रूम में भी होता है बच्चों, है ना. ऐसा नहीं कि here only we are talking about the only an interview panel, interview board. We are talking about the all aspect. Okay, if you are entering, जब तक आपके HOD आपसे नहीं कहते हैं, you can't sit. Okay, so do not take the seat unless you are asked by the IO. Okay, do not be stiff. Okay, be natural and sit comfortably. ऐसा भी नहीं है कि हम एकदम बिल्कुल बहुत ज्यादा एकदम वो हो रहे हैं. ओके, तो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है डू नॉट बी स्टिफ. ओके, तो बी नेचुरल, बी कंफर्टेबल. ओके, एंड सिट comfortably. Then after suggestions for the candidate, so listen to the questions carefully. We have repeated many times this thing, listen carefully. Your skills, listening skills, your speaking skills, your reading, writing, these skills are very very important, my dear student. Okay, so listen to the questions carefully. Okay, carefully and carefully. Clarify in case of any doubt. If you're having any doubt, just clarify it. Okay, your speech should be natural, very natural, not too fast or not too very slow. Okay, speak clearly and confidently, and do not be too loud but must be audible. Okay, it must be audible. Then after, be polite and respectful to the IU. Okay, just say good afternoon, sir. Good morning, sir. Okay, so these are some points you must remember during the interview. Your answer should be brief to the point. Okay, ऐसा नहीं है कि we are just adding more and more things. So just concise your answer, just concise your point, just concise your concise your matter. Okay, if they are saying something about ki, okay, say something about your state, say something about this thing. So just concise your answer. Okay, do not add more thing there. Okay, so never volunteer or any information. Avoid any kind of mannerism or fiddling with your body parts. Okay, just sit cool, just sit calm, and just having good smile, having good eye contact. Okay, these things are very very important. Okay, so last point we have, students, do not try to bluff. Never ever try to bluffing, or never ever trying to cheating with them. Okay, or make a false statement, because they all are smart, they all are qualified, intelligent person are there. You are not supposed to make them false. Just try to bluffing, or make a false statement to them. Okay, these things are very very important. I hope everything is clear to you. Yes or no,
Yes.
class?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt
No,
here?
ma'am.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Hello, very good. Next is last है आपके बच्चों ये suggestions. Next suggestion is do not get upset even if it is a silly questions. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपका एकदम ego hurt हो गया, अरे कौन से question पूछ लिया है ना. Do not get upset even if it is a silly questions. Do not lose your temper or get excited, because your temper and capacity for patience is being tested. They are just testing you, they are just checking you, they are just assessing your personality, bachcho. I hope, am I clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What they are doing, they are just testing you, they are just checking your capacity, they are checking your temper, they are checking कि you are not losing, or are you losing or not. Okay, so never ever lose your temper or get excited, because your temper and capacity for patience is being tested there, bachcho. They are not checking your mark sheet, and they are not checking your marks, and they are not saying if from where you have completed. Okay, so ever never never ever do such kind of thing. कभी नहीं करनी है आप लोगों को. Okay, keep
Yes, ma'am.
smiling face. Do not wear a gloomy look like that. Okay, when given an indication that interview is over, get up, give a courteous and say good day sir, and leave the room, replacing the chair properly. Okay, ऐसा नहीं है कि बस आपका your interview ओवर और एकदम आप भाग गए वहां से. ओके, तो कभी नहीं करना है ऐसा. कैसे करना है? व्हेन गिवन एन इंडिकेशन, just take just listen carefully. Okay, they are just saying something you, and they are giving you indication that interview is over. So get up, give a courtesy, say good day sir, good day ma'am, and leave the room properly, and leave the room replacing the chair properly. This is also very important. Okay, so if
Yes, ma'am.
the IO offers his handshake, it warmly, again saying thank you sir, goodbye sir. So I hope, am I clear to everyone? All points we have clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
any, any question
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
from me? Any question?
Yes. No, ma'am.
No
No,
question.
ma'am.
Okay, I'm just asking some questions to you. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
one by
ma'am.
one. So I'm
Okay, ma'am.
asking question. First is from Nisha. Yes, Nisha, tell me, how do you spend your spare time? Nisha, yes.
Yes, ma'am. By including our time, by spending our time in our interest, like reading books, novels, or doing such things which we are interested in.
Okay, Devesh, routine on normal days and holidays. Devesh,
Yes, ma'am.
my question is clear. Shall I repeat again?
Yes, ma'am.
Routine on normal days and holidays.
Ma'am, full time gaming.
Sagar, आप, what
Ma'am,
about
please
you?
repeat the question, ma'am.
Routine, your routine on normal days and holidays.
Ma'am, my routine in normal days and vacation days are very different. In vacations, I am doing some
Tell me,
other work,
tell
like
me.
I will try to design some website or doing some photographic work. But in normal days or working days, I will focus on my study.
Okay, very good student. So I hope all points are clear to everyone. Is there any questions? Is there any questions, students?
No,
And
ma'am.
after,
No, ma'am.
and after this class, I'll share this PPT to all. So please just go through with that, okay?
Okay,
And
ma'am.
read two times, one time and two time. If there's any questions, if you want to ask, and you're most welcome, you can ask it again, okay? Okay,
Okay,
students, take care. Have a nice day.
okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.